So this is my submission for CS50 Webs Project 4, and this is the home page. Here we can see all the posts, and after registering, let's say after login in, and we get this new box to post something new. For example, and it is shown here along with the time and number of likes, and we can edit our own posts. So that covers new post and old post. Profile page. So at the top we have our own username by which we can go to our own profile, and here it shows some information like total number of posts, number of followers, and number of following, and all the posts made by that user, that is us. And if you go back to home page, and we can click on anyone's username like CS, and here we get a option to follow and unfollow that user, and similarly all of their posts. Pagination, for example, there are more than 10 pages, more than 10 posts on a page, then it is paginated. Like we can go to second page and third page and so on. Similarly, if you go to a user's profile, there also the posts are paginated. The following, and if you go to the following page, we only see the post of people we are following right now. So for example, here I can see the post of CS and post of Motilal. So for example, if I go to Motilal and unfollow him and go back to following page, all the posts of Motilal are gone, and the number of following we had is reduced to 1 because we unfollowed a person. And edit post, any user can edit their own post. For example, here I have edit option to edit this post but not others. So if I edit this post, the post is converted into text area where we can edit it, and after editing we can save the changes, and these changes are stored. For example, if I reload, even if I reload, it is permanent. And finally, we can like and unlike a post. Like I can like this, and there is no need to reload the page for liking and unliking and following and unfollowing. And even if I reload now, the likes persist. So that's it. And this security issue I have implemented here. There is a route to edit where I have implemented, yeah, this is the edit post, and this will check that if the logged in user is editing his own post. For example, if someone makes a request through that route, and if he is not editing his own post, then it will send a response of error, otherwise it sends done. So that's all for project 4. Thank you.